I grew up convinced I would one day live in a home like these. But when we bought our first house, I found myself with a 1959 ranch style that had never been updated. The fence was falling down, and you could barely get to the front door. This is the story of how we made this house into our dream home. In addition to being tiny, the kitchen was completely original to the 1950s. There was nowhere to take down a wall or to expand the footprint of the kitchen, so we had to be very thoughtful about what we did in our renovations. Despite our desperate need for storage, this cabinet came down the first day we owned the house, while the locks were still being changed. It completely blocked the view to the dining room and made it difficult to use our largest countertop. To make up for the lost space, I installed these shelves. We chose to take the subway tile backsplash all the way to the ceiling. I chose to remove the doors from some of the cabinets in here because it's just too small. If there are two people in here, we can't open the cabinets. It takes up too much airspace. We kept the original oven for a while. I just gave it a facelift with some pink spray paint. However, eventually the original oven did break and we had to replace it with a modern unit. This oven is still more narrow than those that you would find in most homes. We replaced the metal window frame with one that lifts rather than slides and is much easier to use. We installed new hardware, as well as soft close drawers and cabinet doors. Continuing our effort to keep our counters clear and usable, our microwave doubles as a stove hood. We also installed laminate flooring and granite countertops. The kitchen never was the selling point for this home. Still, I think we've managed to make it a pretty comfortable and useful room. Thank you so much for watching Renovation Rewind. Like, subscribe, and join us next time.